You know, money's tight for a lot of people these days, and I got to share with you how you can eat clean and healthy for under $3 a meal. Now, I'm all about living cheap and simple and saving money where I can, and so cooking my own food's an easy way to do that. Soup is a really easy way to do that. So check it out. This is a variation on my mom's vegetable soup recipe. We call it vegetable soup, but we put meat in it. You put whatever you want to in it, but here's the way I do it. First, I set aside a pound of ground meat. I like to use venison. And then I chop up 1 to 2 cups of all of these vegetables: a yellow onion, celery, carrots, red potatoes, green beans, corn, and okra. And 2 cans of diced tomatoes. I use a 28-ounce can and a 14.5-ounce can. Now, when the meat is almost done browning, I add in the onions and the celery, mix that all up in together, and then the tomatoes, get that nice and stewing up together. And then I add in all the other ingredients plus 8 to 10 cups of water, maybe 12, depending on how thick or thin you like it. I turn the heat up to high, get it almost to a boil, turn the heat down to low, cover it, let it sit for a couple of hours, maybe even the rest of the day. I also add in a little less than a 1/4 cup salt. I figure go a little less, I can add more later. So all you have is meat, vegetables, water, and salt. Now here's the great part. I added up all the cost of these ingredients. It came to $28, and I ended up getting 22 cups of soup out of it. That comes to $1.27 for a cup of soup. You have 2 cups of soup for a meal, that's still just over $2.50. Not bad. Now, if you really want to enjoy this, I'm going to put my cast iron skillet cornbread recipe right here. Click that and add that to your meal. Let me know what you think. Peace.